For today's stretch, we're going to focus on the calf. You're going to drive the heel down, and we're going to hold here. Work on your breathing. Brace yourself. Make sure your leg is relatively straight. Again, if you feel too much hamstring, soften the knee and drive the heel down. You want to feel this mostly in your calf. We're going to stay here. We're going to breathe through it. Your front leg is just for balance. All the focus is on the back leg. We're going to bring it in and we're going to switch sides. Again, you want to drive the heel completely flat. You should feel this majority in your calf. If you feel anything behind the knee, you need to soften the knee. Continue breathing through. Now we're going for a deep stretch in the calf. It should feel slightly uncomfortable, but not painful. Continue breathing through. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. We're almost there. A few more seconds. Okay, we're going to bring it in and we're going to focus on hip flexion. You want to brace your leg against your chair and sink into your hips. Now the goal is to have your shoulder level with your knee or slightly below your knee. If you can't get there right now, it's okay. We're just going to try to breathe through it. We're going to hang out on this side. Make sure whatever chair or table you're using is very sturdy. Focus on relaxing with big breath in, big breath out. Very good. We're going to rise up and we're going to switch sides. Again, we're going to brace yourself with your heel against the chair and bring your body forward. Now the goal is to have your shoulder level with your knee or slightly below the knee. Again, depending on your flexibility, you might not be able to get down this deep. Continue breathing and relaxing your body. Very good. We're almost there. Continue breathing through. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. A few more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rise up. Very good. We're going to go into a deep squat position. Elbows in, tall chest. Now we do have a modifier at the top. Obviously, if you can't full squat, you want to hold on to something sturdy and sink into your hips as low as you can. We're going to hang out here for a full minute. Make sure your heels are flat on the ground. If your heels are rising up, you're not ready for the full squat and you should be using the modifier. Continue breathing in. Focus on a tall chest. Allowing yourself to sink deeper into your hips. And we're going to hang out here, guys, for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rise up nice and slow. Awesome job.